Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Kichler fan remote has stopped controlling your ceiling fan, or you've recently replaced the remote or receiver, you may need to reprogram it. This can feel confusing because nothing on the remote clearly says pair, and pressing random buttons usually doesn't fix the issue. Sometimes the fan won't respond at all, or it works inconsistently, which can make it seem like something is broken. In reality, most of the time it's just a syncing issue between the remote and the fan receiver. The good thing is that reprogramming a Kichler fan remote is actually simple once you follow the correct steps. Within a minute or two, you can reconnect everything and get full control back. Try these. Step 1. Turn off power to the ceiling fan from the wall switch or breaker. Step 2. Wait about 10-15 seconds to reset the receiver. Step 3. Turn the power back on to the fan. Step 4. Within a few seconds, press and hold the learn or fan button on the remote. Step 5. Watch for the fan or light to blink or respond, confirming pairing. Step 6. Test all buttons to ensure the remote is fully working.